Hey everyone, I'm Nabil and welcome to my IT tutorials channel. In this video, I'll show you 3 proven ways to completely stop automatic updates. These methods are simple, safe, and will give you full control over your system updates. Let's dive in. Method 1, using services. First press Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Now type services.msc and press enter. This will open the Windows Services Manager. Scroll down until you find Windows Update. Double click on Windows Update to open its properties. Next, look for Startup Type. Change the startup type to disabled, then click Stop to stop the service. Finally, click Apply and then click OK. This will disable the Windows Update service and stop automatic updates. Method 2, using Group Policy Editor. Now let's move to Method 2. Press Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Type gpedit.msc and press enter. This will open the local group policy editor. On the left panel, go to Computer Configuration. Then click Administrative Templates. Next, open Windows Components. Scroll down and click Windows Update. On the right side, find Configure Automatic Updates. Double-click Configure Automatic Updates. Select Disabled. Then click Apply and click OK. Now Windows will stop downloading and installing updates automatically. Please note that Group Policy Editor is only available on Windows Pro, Enterprise, and Education editions. Method 3, using Registry Editor. Now let's move to Method 3. Press Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Type regedit and then press enter. This will open the Registry Editor. Now navigate to the following location. First open HKEI Local Machine. Then open Software. Next, open Policies. After that, click Microsoft, then click Windows. Inside the Windows folder, look for a folder called Windows Update. If the folder does not exist, you will need to create it manually. Right-click inside the Windows folder, select New, and then choose Key. Name the folder Windows Update. Make sure you capitalize the first letter of each word, exactly like this, Windows Update. Next, open the Windows Update folder. Inside it, create another folder. Right-click, select New, and choose Key. Name this folder AU in capital letters. Now go to the right panel, right-click in the empty area, select New, and then choose DWORD, 32-bit value. Name this value No Auto Update. Make sure you capitalize the first letter of each word, exactly like this, No Auto Update. After that, double-click No Auto Update. Change the value data to 1, then click OK. This will disable automatic Windows updates using the registry. Please be careful when editing the registry because incorrect changes can affect your system. Let's check the final outcome of the changes we made. Open Settings and go to Update and Security. Click on Windows Update. You will notice a message saying, "Some settings are managed by your organization." This confirms that Windows is no longer installing updates automatically. You can still check for updates manually if needed, but Windows will no longer restart or download updates without your permission. This is the final outcome, showing that the changes have been successfully applied. And that's it. Those are 3 proven ways to stop Windows 10 automatic updates. I'm Nabil, and if this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more professional IT tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.